Hello everyone, we are from Group 1 and we'll be presenting about our final pitch. So first I'll be introducing our group members. So my name is Lavinia Shri, I'm leader of the team and my teammates are Vishalakshi, Kalayashni, Tanyongmi Jovi and Hoganyu. So first I'll be talking about a problem. The problem we choose is actually kidnapping because it's one of the happening cases in Malaysia. And it's a crime that leads to many different crimes as well, like sexual exploitation, human trafficking, and also rape. And it's something that not only affects the victim and families, but also affects the outsiders who even hears about it. And nobody wants certain cases like to happen to themselves. And we have two different charts here, which was obtained from our survey we conducted. So the first one says that 68% of the respondents often hear about kidnapping cases, and 82% suggesting that to improve the difficulty of the crime to avoid the occurrence of kidnapping.
Hi, I'm Dongwei Joy, and I will introduce Design Challenge and SDG. To stop kidnapping, we wanted to design a practical and discreet solution that empowers children and youth to stay protected from kidnapping through early detection, rapid response, and community support. Then for our SDG, we include the third one, good health and well-being, and the 16, peace, justice, and strong institutions.
Hi, I'm Vishalakshi. There are many current solutions in the market. Today I'm going to present about the three. First is GPS tracking device. Its function is to monitor location, track real-time location. But it still have gaps. First is connectivity issues, battery limitations, and security concern. The second is smart wearable with SOS features. Function is to enhance personal safety. Its gap is ineffective if the SOS feature cannot be activated under emergency or too expensive for low-income areas. Third is child safety apps. Function set safe zones and receive alerts if the child leaves this area. Requires their gaps is require constant access to a smartphone. Risk of false alarm or misuse the alert system. For example, the child need to go to buy something and it says it's in danger like that, and availability may be limited by region or device compatibility.
So now I'll be introducing you to a product. Our product name is actually SwiftSOS Patch, and it's basically a patch that can be worn on many different clothing materials, and it has a SOS button that can be used during emergencies. So for the brief overview design, we have three layers to our product, which is the front layer, inner layer, and back layer. So the front layer consists of a fabric, and as you can see, there's two sample designs shown here. And for the inner layer is where the SS button is located. So for example, during an emergency, the child needs to press the button for 5 seconds and it immediately sends an SS signal to all the emergency contacts through an app. And for the back layer, we have a fabric adhesive patch as the material. And this is a material which actually helps a patch to be attached to many different clothing types.
Good morning. My name is Kalayashni. I will be presenting you about our prototype model. So this is our prototype model front look. As you can see, there's a two type. So since our target user are actually school students and also youth, so for school students, we actually came up with their own school badges. So our front look of our model will be their own school badges. And for youth, our front look will be their any fabric choices of their choice, of their own choice. So this is the inner layer of our prototype model. There's a SOS button and also battery. As for the battery, just a normal battery you can find in watch or even some toys. But our SOS button is very special because it's actually is a program button that contains a microcontroller board called Arduino. This button acts as a physical switch that you can connect to Arduino board to trigger action. So in this case, when the button is pressed, it sends an immediate signal to parent or even guardians of the person who are having it. With the use of Arduino, we can actually track where the model is. I mean, technically where the person is, and we can actually display the location of the person. So this is our back look of our model. Since we have designed our model to be attached on shirt or fabric, the back look is made out of fabric-based attention patch, which is basically enable easy attachment, also removal of the product whenever you want it.
My name is Ho Guan Yu. This one is the Swiss SOS application interface, and I will explain the feature and the function for this application. Okay, the first one is the home page. The home screen show your picture and online status to confirming the device is ready for emergency alert. The user can press the button, it will trigger the device. Okay, the second is the emergency contact screen. They will list the name and number to ensuring the right people are alert when you need the help. And if the first person cannot be contacted, they will go to the next person automatically. This one is the tracking screen. And then inside the tracking screen, they will show the user current, the location, and the recent history. And the fourth is help section. Visit the help section for quick instruction and troubleshooting tips to ensure the user using the SOS button effectively in emergency. For the notification screen, they will show you the past alert and the low battery warning that notice you when the battery is below than the 50%. They will reminding you to recharge the system to active. For the profile screen, they will allow the parents or guardian to manage the user setting, update the emergency contact. This ensures that the correct contact are notified in an emergency and enable to customization for the child's safely needs.
For our market potential, our target market is retailer or shop owners. Then our key partner include technology providers, retailers or shopping mall owners, software development partners, hardware suppliers or manufacturers, target brands clothing outlet. And our marketing include direct distribution channels and also intermediaries.
Hi, I'm Vishalakshi. The expenses we come out for 1 year is manufacturing costs, which is hardware, software, materials, app designing and development, labor costs, and utilities. There's also other expenses such as marketing, legal fee, employee payroll, logistic, research and development. The research and development is a crucial part because we need that department or that fund to do more research and become produce more advanced product. So the total is 276,000. The manufacturing cost for one unit is 16 ringgit 25 cent, and we are selling at one unit for 25 ringgit, and one box consists of 5 unit which is 100 ringgit. Revenue for 1 year is 650,000, which consists of in-app purchase around 200,000, paid downloads around 100,000, advertising revenue for 200,000, subscription model 150,000. The net profit is around 374,000. Revenue for first year is 650,000, and revenue for third year is 786,500, and revenue for fifth year is 951,665. We used 10% of increment in between the years. For instance, first year to third year, we put 10% of the first year increase like that. So it more continue to fifth year also, from third year to fifth year, it increase about 10%.
So next I'll be presenting the value proposition and business viability of a product. So for value proposition, we have rapid response capability. So our product actually sends instant alerts to parents or guardians during emergency. It ensures a quick action also. Next, the customizable appearance. So as you can see, our product actually can be personalized to blend in with either school uniforms or any popular patterns. And also it's durable and detachable also. As you can see, a product actually can be detached or reattached to various clothing items, making it suitable for multiple uses for different outfits. So moving on to business viability. So first is high repeat purchase potential. So our product actually may be reordered by school or parents for new students or for any growing children. And next is scalable production. Since our product actually has a streamlined design, it allows for easy expansion and cost-effective large-scale manufacturing. Next is brand partnership for expansion. So this refers to partnering with children clothing brands to embed the patch, creating additional distribution channels.
For the business expansion plan, we got three. First one is modify the fabric system. We can upgrade the fabric to be durable and adaptable for the different climates and conditions. The second one is the additional feature. We can add the option like vibration alert and alarm with a quick help for better safely and emergency response. For the last one is global expansion. We can expand internationally with a local partner and marketing to grow the brand's global reach.